roll racing at the bend.
Yeah, out of the darkness I rose up. Golden my soul, it's a gold rush. Honor and freedom, I toast up. Kicking game on the snare drum, hard on the beat, let it bleed.
Jaden, what? We found Jake Stokes. Is that Jake Stokes? How are you, brother?
What's going on, darling?
Not much, mate. What's happening?
What's going on, big sexy? How you going?
How are you, brother? You going good?
Yeah, this is Caitlin.
Hey, Dale, how you going?
Caitlin, Jake.
Caitlin, Rachel, Caitlin.
Oh,
Rachel.
I've got my
Jake.
hands full at the moment.
Oh, baby.
How was your Melbourne trip?
It was really good, bro.
I missed in the video.
Yeah, I'll check your videos.
You know what I mean?
I went to MotorEx, did the MotorEx thing. So.
I'm disappointed in you guys because me and Caitlin have been hanging out for another video.
Yeah,
I know you're on holidays.
It's coming. You might be on this video, Jake.
Oh, fuck.
Open emotions, spilling like oil and coasting. Therapy for my mental, I'm pinning a pistol and shoot down the criticisms individually. I heard the voices that told us, throw dirt on my name and wish me the worst and scold us, Shot through the heart and pray on my downfall. But Young T prevailed on my outlaw. Stand on top of the table like John Wall. Got the cross on my chest like Olympic gold. Table like John Wall, got the cross on my chest like Olympic gold. Rap it smooth on the field like a jazz song. Witness greatness, look up in LeBron home. Remember next time for you doubt us. That only made me go John Jones. HGH, I got the shortcut. God on my side, you got bad luck. Look at how they all doubt us, yeah they doubt us, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, Underrated, we the underdogs.
Hi, we're the tied together, linked in the bio.
Yeah.
look to the side. Go the barra. Go the barra.
So something a little bit different this week from One More Flip. We went down to roll racing just last night actually, and quickly threw this video together for you to experience what it is. Didn't make any titles or anything crazy, just to give you a raw experience. Shout out to Jake Spokes, which we met down there.
Yep.
We did see Jay from Low Standards. Looks like he had a problem with his car.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say any more. I'll let him do a video. I noticed he was doing a video, and we didn't get a chance to have a chat with him. He was pretty... he's a very intense person when it comes to his car and his events. So just leave him alone, let him do his thing, and just sit in the background and just enjoy and soak up the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Now, you're probably wondering, it's been a little bit of a while. Last week I was at Melbourne for business, but I quickly dropped in for MotorEx. I did capture some footage for that, but I'm not going to upload it because everyone else has uploaded it. Yeah. And I'm not saying it's boring, it's great to watch, but everyone's interpretation of how they film a car is totally different, and it's being flooded on YouTube. So I'll let the specialists do that. That's not our thing. We just run and gun, we do. So we're not pros here, obviously, as you know. The other thing is a car. We do have a car. It's pretty rare. It is a Subaru. I hope you could guess, or wish you could guess, if you want to guess, in the comments what it is. It is a 80s, 90s Subaru. It is at the scrapyard. I have purchased it. The problem is where it's located, it's really, really difficult to get out. So we've actually lost a week and a half, or nearly 2 weeks now, trying to get the car. We're trying to just have that conversation with the scrapyard to get the car out. We have no idea if it runs, drives, whatever. The body looks okay. It is quite rare or unusual. Probably some of you will guess it straight away, but it is a Subaru. It is really cool. I'm really excited to see what this car... Well, it could be going straight back to the scrapyard, but we'll take you for that journey regardless. Thank you so much, everyone, for the positive feedback and the comments and bearing with us. Obviously, obviously, you guys know that I do the scrap cars. There has been no great cars at all, not even worth trying to flip. Just either we're going to lose money or, and I don't want to bore you with just another boring VS Commodore, because you guys seem to hate that video, which is cool. It doesn't matter. And our MX-32 Crusader, we've actually done nothing, unfortunately. I've been working so hard, and I've been away, obviously, last week in Melbourne. And Jaden's obviously been at school, so don't want to make excuses. Everyone knows life's busy these days. So, but this car that we're getting next will be cool. And there is another car in the pipeline at the scrapyard. There was another car during the week, but I just sort of thought it's not for the channel. It's not really something that you guys would enjoy anyway. So let's not worry about that one. So there's definitely one car that we've purchased, and an episode on that will be coming soon. Now, if you guys also don't want us to just sell that car without you guys having the opportunity, because I was thinking about this the other night. I was thinking our viewers don't really get the opportunity to buy the cars that we buy and fix up, or whatever you want to call it, tinker with. They don't really get the opportunity to buy these cars. So this one we might actually just let you go through the process, and before we sell it, we might give you guys the opportunity to do something with it or whatever, or buy it if you're in Adelaide or interstate, whatever. We'll definitely give you obviously an honest description. We've been honest through this whole process. Also, shout out to one of our members that saw us at Roll Racing last night. Sorry I didn't catch your name. There was a lot of stuff going on. A big crowd last night, a lot of cars, lots of stuff happening. We had a few people come up to us, so shout out to you, and we'll see you on the next episode of One More Flip. See you guys, bye.
Episode, we get a Lamborghini.
Go the what? Go the barra.
Bar.
Go the barra.
Low standards.
Low standards.
Bye bye, those standards.
Welcome to this week. We're out roll racing.
Underdogs underestimated, yeah. Underrated, we the underdogs underestimated, we the ones, yeah, we the ones.